Hi, boys and girls. So I just wanted to do a little quick video before you do your reading lesson to kind of introduce your reading lesson. So for your reading lesson, I want you to watch this video. That's number one. Number two, you're going to do interactive slides of asking questions, the one called Google Slides. And that's this right here, Google Slides. So you're going to watch and do this. This is interactive slides. Let's see if I can show them to you. So they look like this. So why do we ask questions when we're reading? And you can pull these up to put the answer in like that. Do that. All of these are interactive slides. And then you're going to do that. And then this one is what are we doing before we read, during reading, and after reading. So you're going to pull in the correct answers into each of these. And then we're going to talk about thick versus thin questions. So when you're reading, remember we ask ourselves lots of questions. Good readers ask questions. So what it means by thick versus thin questions, thick questions are questions that make you really stop and think. They're not answered in the text. Those are thin questions because you can find the answers quite easily. Thick questions make you have to stop and think. Thin questions, you don't really have to think about. You can just find the answer right there in the text. So this slide, you will give me the definition. So a thick question is answers that can't be found in the text and we need to think about, and thin questions are answers that are found directly in the text. And then you'll do this slide and you're going to put thick questions and thin questions. What kind of questions are these? Put them in the correct order that they go in. Okay. So then after you do that interactive, the interactive slides, this Google Slides, then I want you to read from Wonders, Elizabeth Leads the Way. And that's this story right here. It's quite a long story. It's 17 pages long. So take your time, read it. Think about what you're reading. I want you to think about what you read yesterday about, let's see if I can find that, about ask and answer questions. This was yesterday's. Remember, you did ask and answer questions, author's point of view, biography, and then you read about prefixes and suffixes. So you're going to have to know what biography is, because when you get to the questions, there's going to be questions about author's point of view, and there is going to be questions about biography, how you know this story is a biography. So be thinking about that as you are reading. So then after you read the story, then you're going to answer the questions about Elizabeth Leads the Way. And I think there is going to be 4 questions about that. And please answer these questions in complete sentences. Use correct grammar, use correct punctuation, capitalization, and then do the spelling. It's the spelling worksheet, which is the word find for all your spelling words. So that's going to be our reading lesson this week. Have a good day, and I hope you find this kind of a fun lesson today.